Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to video 23, which is IAS 41. This is a very short standard and not often asked in your exam, both for SBR and FR. But if it is asked, you should be in a position to know how it is accounted for. So IAS 41 is a biological asset, okay, which is a living plant or animal. Biological asset is a living plant or animal. Agricultural produce is the harvested product of the entity's biological asset. Biological asset you have to measure using fair value less estimated cost to sell, and it has to be revalued each year end. So any change in the fair value will be recognized in the statement of profit and loss, same like your investment property. At the date of harvest, agricultural produce should be recognized and measured at fair value less cost to sell. It is then accounted for under IAS 2 inventory. Example: a herd of goat has a fair value less cost to sell 1000. Gold was purchased for 250. So the fair value at 31st December is 1450. Now you have to find out the gain or the loss. So you see, first fair value less cost to sell is 1000 and you have purchased another gold for 250. So 1250 and the fair value was 1450. So it has increased from 1250 to 1450, from 1250 to 1450. The difference is 200. That 200 is the gain, which will be recognized in the statement of profit or loss. So that's it for IAS 41, and I shall see you in the next standard, that is IFRS 1. That is when you adopt the IFRS for the first time. What is the impact? With this, I have finished all the standards that are IAS. Now I'll be focusing on the IFRS standards. Okay. So thank you for watching.